Take me to where the mountains can kill. People are free and time stands still. Whatever makes my heart come to life or fall apart.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. It is Emma and Ellie. And today it is Sunday. Elizabeth is not here. It's the first day without her. Ow! She's poking me.
No, I'm not.
Ames who? So, anyways.
You am too?
Yeah. Ellie is at Mika's house, like always. Today we are going Halloween shopping because Halloween is next weekend. So basically, Ellie is gonna be something with Mika. Melina's gonna be something with her friend. Me and Carson are gonna be something, I don't know about the other kid, Logan, so I don't know what he's being. But anyways, we're going with the Mika family. And Melina's friend's family or whatever. That was who we're going to Halloween with. I wasn't gonna go because, yeah. But then Carson decided he'll be something with me, so I will go now. So, Ellie and Mika are going, they already have their idea. They're gonna pick it out when we go. Are we going with them today?
No.
Anyways, Mark and Zoe are in the Jeep. Stitchy is sad because he didn't get to go. Zoe left. So Zoe is riding in the Jeep. I'm going to get ready for the day. As you can tell, I am not ready. Everybody else is ready but me. I mean, Mark's not ready. He's not dressed, so I still have to go get the shower.
So Emma is upstairs getting ready for the day. I am feeling very under the weather. I ended up going to the doctor this morning. Basically a viral cold. It's in my nose, my throat hurt, I didn't sleep last night. It sucks. I feel like I just got over the flu. So I'm on antibiotics again, and I had all these plans we were gonna do today because Elizabeth was gone and we were gonna get a bunch of stuff done that we needed to do. And I cannot find the energy to do it. We do need to go pick out the girls' Halloween costumes, so we're gonna do that tonight. We are going to have dinner here, and that's pretty much it. I am not feeling it at all. My body aches, cold, yeah. So, I kind of wanted to touch base with you guys about the kids, mainly Emma, her attitude, and a lot of you are asking why she was grounded from her phone. And she never likes to do these videos, and she'll never say why she's grounded from her phone, so I will. Because it's part of reality, it's part of real life. And so Emma got grounded from her phone when Elizabeth was here because her and her sister got in a fight. Emma came and told me that Ellie was, I think, hitting her. Or I think her exact words were going crazy, and I said, okay, I'll take care of it, give me a minute. Well, and I said, stay away from your sister until I take care of it. Well, she was worried that Ellie was going to touch her phone, so she went back upstairs and said to Ellie, or went into her room. Ellie came back in her room. Emma said, oh, you're back for more? And we've tried to explain to Emma over and over that you are 13, almost 14 years old, and you need to keep your hands to yourself. It's a little bit harder for an 8-year-old, and yes, Ellie gets in trouble for putting her hands on Emma to begin with, but the point is that Emma's older, and she should know better, and she should be able to walk away, and then we'll take care of the situation. So it's kind of like they will be upstairs or downstairs and they will get in a fight, and then they'll come down and say they did so and so to each other. Well, one will say no I didn't, the other says yes I did, and then you don't know who to believe because they both say they did something and then they don't they don't admit, like, until later, oh yeah, well, I did do that, or whatever. So we try to tell Emma to keep her hands to herself, so that way we know for a fact that Ellie's the only one doing it. Well, Emma shoved her across the room, and Ellie was hitting her back, and I asked Emma when I told you not to go up there, why did you go up there? And finally she came out and said that she went up and got her phone because she was worried that Ellie was gonna get on her phone. So she lost her phone. So unfortunately in our home, which I'm sure you're all aware of, but both of my kids think that the phone is life. They can't function without their phones. Ellie is constantly on Roblox, so Ellie does not have her phone. Ellie does not have her computer. Emma does not have her phone nor her computer unless it's to edit. And I don't know when they'll get them back. Mark and I are just tired of them constantly being on their phone. It would be alright, like I'm all for being on your phone and talking to people on social media if your stuff is done. But unfortunately in my home, nothing gets done or their chores don't get done because they'd rather sit on the magic, aka magic box phone. And then when you ask them to do something, or you'll say, is your room clean, or is this done, or is that done, they're like, ah, you know, and then we get attitude and then we get mouth. So that is being nipped in the bud right now. When they do get their phones back, they will have a limited amount of usage on their phone. They will have, you know, hour a day, or I don't know how we're gonna do it, but they're gonna have limited time on their phones to stop this from being an issue. And yes, Emma's had a really bad attitude lately. One, she's tired. Two, school is not going well. I can tell you that there are people that are causing multiple problems in school. I really wish this other school would have had an opening and let them in, but they can't let them in until next year. I need to get her away from the school that she is attending because I cannot stand the people that are running their mouth and keeping this stuff going, and just I'm over it. Yesterday there were 2 kids outside getting arrested and I was like, oh hey, I know them, they're in my second period. Like, I just can't even fathom going to a school where when I went there the other day, there were 2 kids getting arrested because they were in a fight. Their parents were there to come pick them up. I mean, control your school. I'm sorry, that is my opinion. I cannot stand her school. I cannot. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really wish the kid would just homeschool.
Okay guys, so we got out of the house and everything. So basically it is 6 o'clock. So anyways, we made it to the Halloween store. We are around Target where it's called Spirit Halloween. So anyways, Ellie, do you have any ideas what you're being? Ideas? Sherry has her idea.
I'm an angel, Mika's a devil, and we already both have our outfits and they're both from Spirit, so I'm probably gonna meet each other there. No, just kidding.
So anyways, we'll film when we get inside and show you guys Irene trying them on. I'm guessing we're gonna try them on too, so we'll try them on. Okay, we're in the Halloween store. So Ellie, what is the costume that you have? It's Lace Angel. She doesn't really like it though, but I mean, she still wants to match. That's what she has to do.
Yeah, they got elastic strap right here.
So how am I gonna put it on? Put those rings on.
Do what?
So how am I gonna put those other rings on?
It'll Velcro.
Alright guys, we're struggling here today for some reason.
Be a voodoo doll and be a voodoo doll.
Voodoo.
I can't.
Be a scarecrow.
What if I be the cop and Carson be's the jail?
She probably has a cop outfit.
Yep.
And that's why she said it.
Suck it up, Buttercup. Better get that outfit.
Okay, this one
Uh-huh.
or the orange one?
I don't know.
This is so bleh.
That's a boogerler.
Yeah. See, she wanted me to be a jailbird, but that's not appropriate.
Yeah, I don't think you're wearing that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. You're gonna be the orange one.
Okay.
It'll be that.
Did you look online?
Online? I didn't look online.
Why not?
Can I look online?
For what?
You said, did you look online too?
For what? Jailbird costumes?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not giving you my phone. I'll look it up for you.
What? Do the orange one too.
Okay, here you go.
Okay. So
What are
Ellie
you
ordered
looking up?
her costume.
When's Wednesday?
Wednesday.
To order. You have to do teenager.
You have
Adult men, women.
school days. I have gloves.
Marcus Gru. Talk like Gru. That's so weird. Next stop is the Dollar Tree. We are here to get some eyeballs and spiders because why?
For slime.
We're making slime. So we're gonna get them. And then I think we're eating at home. I don't really know what's her plans are after that. But we'll show you guys our outfits when we get home. I mean, at least mine, because Ellie ordered hers.
She can show it online.
Yeah, she'll show you guys hers from online. So hers will be here Wednesday, so she'll get hers Wednesday, then she'll try it on for you on Wednesday. I'll try mine on when I get home. It's like I already have like, I wanted to do the orange because, I don't know, I just like, orange looks better. Okay guys, so we got home. I am in my PJs because I am getting ready to go to bed. I know we did not film a lot, but I am sorry about not filming. We are watching SpongeBob right now. Well, I am. My sister Ellie is in bed already. So, I'm gonna show you guys the Halloween costume I got. Ellie's is on her way till Wednesday. So this is, okay, so this is what I got. This. So, it says this on the back. State prison. It's this. There's the outfit. So basically the reason why I got this is because the little boy across the street, his name is Carson. I think he's been in the vlogs one time before, the little boy. He's brothers with Mika and Melina and the Mika family. So I was originally not gonna go Halloween. I was gonna stay home because I didn't want to go because, I mean, yeah. I mean, if I was going with like a friend, like friends or just my family, I would go. But since we're going with like two families that I don't even know, I mean, I know Mika and like Melina, but it's like different, if you know what I mean. But I was really gonna stay home, but then I told Mika to ask Carson if he wanted to match or like duo Halloween costumes. And he said yeah, so he was originally going to be a mailbox person or whatever, mailman. So he said he'll be the cop and then I'll be the person in jail or jailbreak or whatever the heck it's called. So anyways, so my mom got these things because I think there's like Halloween themed. So I think there's like an 80s day at Ellie's school. Then we got this for some videos. We got flesh latex, cream makeup, liquid latex, and then blood. And then also we got a convict chain with a lock. So it comes with a key. And Mark, what did you say about it? The chain in the lock. Chain in the lock.
Oh, that person's gonna pull you around by a chain.
So that's why they wanted me to get this, because so Carson can pull me around. So yeah, that's what we got. And then dollar store, like we got these bats. We got 2 jars for a DIY. So we got these 2 jars. So there's another one, and that's all we got from the dollar store. Okay, so like I was saying, I haven't been to school in 3 days. I feel like we're on a break. I really don't want to go back to school tomorrow. Oh yeah, look at all these snow globes. Been to Cedar Point, New York, Destin, Clearwater, Great Smoky Mountains, Disney, wait, this is Disney, yeah, Disney World, really? Disney Story, yeah, Disney World, Dollywood, Justice, hee. And then the Indianapolis Zoo. Little Charlie broke it. She was in my room, she broke it. But anyways, look, I even screenshotted other ideas. Like this one was Dorothy and the Lion. I mean, they're little kids, but like, I would be Dorothy, who'd be the lion. Or there was Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. Little Red Riding Hood and the Werewolf. Or that's like another version or whatever. So yeah, nope, we're a cop. The reason why Carson really wanted to be a cop, the The reason why Carson really wanted to be a cop is because my mom said that he was happy that he's younger than me and he's like taking control over me pretty much. Is like he's, if you know what I mean. I don't really know, that's what my mom explained to me. So that is my Halloween costume. I'm not really happy with it because like I tried it on and I mean yeah, but it's okay. It's one night like my mom said. I plan on wearing I don't know, the girl hat on like on the thing. She had white Vans on or white shoes. I plan on probably wearing my Adidas or my Birkenstocks or something like that, or combat boots. I don't really know. Haven't decided, but my hair is gonna be in space buns, like the hairstyle I did in my Instagram post and my Musical.lys. I'm gonna do that or something else, but I probably will be the space buns. And then I'll have the chain around me, and that's it. But I really think I'm just gonna go buy an orange shirt. I mean, I can't actually, no. I think I'm just going to tuck the shirt in. I don't really know, like the pants fit perfect, but they were so baggy. I mean, the pants, I like the pants. I don't like the shirt. It's a V-neck, but it's really big and it makes me look fat pretty much. And I don't really like, I don't know, I don't like the shirt. So I'm kind of mad about that, but I'll figure it out. My mom will help me.
Come on, Stitch.
Okay guys, so I'm getting ready for bed. What are you doing?
Come on, Stitch.
I'm getting ready for bed. Well, I'm already ready for bed. I'm going to bed. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
If you enjoyed, and today's question of the day is, what is the question of the day?
I don't know.
Why?
I don't know. What do you want it to be?
What is your favorite gum flavor?
Okay.
My favorite gum flavor is probably, I don't know.
I don't know either. Dang it. It's better than your normal breath.
Oh, Stitchy is tired. Hi, Stitchy. Look, got an infinity sign. Let's go. Stitch wants to lay. Oh my god, he's so cute. Okay, Stitch. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye, guys.